We have deployed a blog post application leveraging a PostgreSQL database managed by Klutch. Now it's time to focus on resiliency. In this video, we'll demonstrate Klutch's backup and restore mechanisms to mitigate the risk of data loss. Now let's first create a backup by applying a backup YAML manifest. So on my screen, you can see a sample backup manifest, which is again a namespace scoped resource. It has instance ref, service instance type, and composition ref. These all fields are similar to what I have explained previously. So now let's create our first backup. So kubectl create -f VM backup. Now let's see that was our backup successful or not. So we're going to do a kubectl get backup, and as you can see, ready is true. So now let's assume due to some human error, we lost some of our precious blog post data. To show you that, as you can see on my screen, we have two posts. So if I hit refresh, as you can see, we lost one of our posts. Fortunately, with our backups, we'll initiate a restore process through Klutch. Let's apply another Kubernetes YAML file, this time referencing the backup we want to restore from. If you take a look at my screen, you can see a restore manifest, which is namespace scoped and which has a backup reference, a service instance type, and a composition reference. So the service instance type and the composition reference are the same things that I explained previously. The backup reference is basically you're telling Klutch that which backup do you want to apply to. So let's create this resource. So kubectl create -f VM restore. So let's see that did our restore was successful or not. So I'm going to do a kubectl get restored, and then we're going to get the restore that we want, restore 1. And as we can see, restore 1 was successful. Now let's go to our blog post application. You can see that we have only one post here. Let's refresh the page. And as we can see, we have two posts now. This will recover our blog to a known good state. As you've seen, Klutch provides tools to safeguard your data against accidents. By proactively taking backups and practicing restores, you can ensure your applications remain resilient. With this video, we have arrived at the end of our Klutch series. You learned how to painlessly deploy both container and virtual machine-based data services through its generic Kubernetes interface. With Klutch, you gain flexibility, automation, and control over your diverse data services, seamlessly integrated into your Kubernetes workflow. This translates into a faster cycle, reduced operational overhead, and a more reliable infrastructure. Visit our website to learn more. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.